the first to welcome you to Newark, New Jersey, where the local time is approximately 1:47. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow the flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 7. On behalf of all of us at United, our Starlines partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. And we hope to see you again on another United flight. Thank you and have a nice day.
Like that.